Yo, what's up everyone, and let's be real, we've all been fascinated by the future since we were kids. Flying cars, robots, teleporting the whole 9 yards. And while we might not have all that just yet, the truth is, the future is closer than you think. We're on the verge of some serious technological breakthroughs that are straight out of science fiction. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 mind-blowing innovations that are about to change the game as we know it. So buckle up because things are about to get wild. Alright, first up, let's talk about something truly mind-bending: invisibility cloaks. Remember Harry Potter? Yeah, we're basically living in that world now. Scientists have been hard at work developing metamaterials. These are materials engineered to have properties not found in nature. And guess what? These metamaterials can actually bend light around an object, making it disappear. I know, right? It sounds crazy, but the science checks out. We're talking about light waves literally being redirected, making the object behind them invisible to the human eye. Now we're still in the early stages and don't expect to be rocking a full-body invisibility cloak anytime soon. But the potential here is insane. Imagine the possibilities in military applications, architecture, even just for fun. This tech is evolving rapidly, and it's only a matter of time before we're seeing real-world applications that'll blow our minds. Next up, let's talk about something that'll make you say, finally. How many times have you dropped your phone and cringed at the sight of a cracked screen? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that soon, those days might be over? Enter self-healing materials. Imagine this. You drop your phone and instead of shattering into a million pieces, the screen magically repairs itself. No more expensive repairs, no more heartbreak. This isn't magic though, it's science. Researchers are developing materials that can actually bind themselves back together at a molecular level. We're talking about polymers that can reform bonds when damaged, essentially healing themselves. And it's not just limited to phone screens. Imagine self-healing car paint, airplane wings that repair microfractures, even self-healing roads. The applications are endless, and the potential to revolutionize durability and reduce waste is huge. Okay, we've all heard of three-dimensional printing, right? It's the process where a digital file is turned into a physical object by laying down successive layers of material. This technology has revolutionized industries from manufacturing to healthcare, allowing for rapid prototyping and the creation of complex structures that were previously impossible to make. It's been making waves for a while now. From custom prosthetics to intricate jewelry, 3D printing has opened up a world of possibilities, but as amazing as it is, there's always room for innovation and improvement. But get ready for the next level: 4-dimensional printing. This isn't just a step up, it's a leap into the future. 4-dimensional printing takes the principles of 3D printing and adds a whole new dimension to it, literally. Now, I know what you're thinking. What in the world is the 4th dimension? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, in this case, it's time. Yes, time is the 4th dimension that we're talking about here. Imagine objects that don't just stay static but evolve and change over time. 4-dimensional printing takes 3-dimensional printing to a whole new level by creating objects that can actually change shape and transform over time. This is achieved by using special materials that respond to external stimuli like heat, light, or moisture. Imagine printing out a flat sheet that, when exposed to heat or water, folds itself into a fully functional chair. This isn't just a concept, it's already being done in research labs around the world. Or how about medical implants that adapt to the human body over time? These implants could change shape or properties to better integrate with the body's tissues, reducing the risk of rejection and improving patient outcomes. This is all possible thanks to smart materials that respond to specific stimuli. These materials can be programmed to react in certain ways when exposed to different conditions, making them incredibly versatile and useful. By programming these responses into the printing process, we can create objects that literally assemble themselves, adapt to their environment, and even repair themselves. Imagine a world where broken objects can fix themselves without any human intervention. The possibilities with 4-dimensional printing are truly mind-blowing, and we're just scratching the surface of what this technology can do. From adaptive furniture to self-healing materials, the future is incredibly exciting. As research and development continue, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications of this revolutionary technology. Let's move on to something a little more visual: holographic displays. These aren't just science fiction anymore. They're becoming a part of our reality. We've all seen holograms in movies. Those futuristic three-dimensional projections that look like they're floating in mid-air. Think of iconic scenes from sci-fi films where characters interact with these ethereal images. Well, guess what? Holograms are about to become a reality in our everyday lives. Imagine walking into a store and seeing a product demo in holographic form, or attending a virtual meeting where participants appear as life-sized holograms. Imagine attending a concert where the artist performs as a life-sized hologram right there on stage. This technology could bring back legendary artists for new performances or allow current stars to perform in multiple locations simultaneously. Or how about making video calls where the person you're talking to appears as a three-dimensional projection right in front of you? This could revolutionize remote work, making virtual meetings feel more personal and engaging. Holographic displays are poised to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. From education to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. Imagine students learning about ancient civilizations through immersive holographic experiences, or gamers stepping into their favorite virtual worlds. We're already seeing early versions of this technology in smartphones and car displays, where simple holographic elements enhance user experience. But this is just the beginning. It's only a matter of time before we have full-fledged holographic TVs, interactive three-dimensional maps, and other devices that will change the way we consume information and media. Imagine navigating a city with a 3D map that you can manipulate in real time. And the medical field is not left out. Holographic medical imaging could provide doctors with detailed, three-dimensional views of patients' anatomy, improving diagnostics and treatment plans. Surgeons could practice complex procedures on holographic models before performing them on actual patients. Get ready to say goodbye to flat screens because the future is about to get a whole lot more immersive. As holographic technology continues to evolve, it will transform our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. The age of holograms is just around the corner, and it's going to be spectacular. Alright, let's wrap things up with something truly out-of-this-world anti-gravity technology. This is not just science fiction anymore. It's becoming a tangible reality, thanks to the relentless efforts of scientists and researchers around the globe. Remember those hoverboards from Back to the Future? They seemed like a far-off dream, a whimsical idea that belonged only in the realm of movies and imagination. Yeah, those might actually become a reality sooner than we think. The advancements in technology are accelerating at an unprecedented pace, bringing us closer to the future we once only dreamed of. Now, before you get too excited, we're not talking about defying gravity entirely. We're still bound by the laws of physics, but we are learning to manipulate them in ways that were previously unimaginable. Scientists are making serious progress in manipulating gravity-like forces, using quantum physics and magnetism. These fields of study are opening up new possibilities that could revolutionize the way we live and move. We're talking about levitating objects, creating frictionless transportation, and even developing new methods of energy transfer that could change the world as we know it. Imagine floating cities suspended in the air, free from the constraints of traditional infrastructure. These are not just wild fantasies, but potential realities that scientists are actively working towards. One of the most promising areas of research is in superconductors. These materials have the unique ability to conduct electricity with zero resistance, which could lead to groundbreaking advancements in various fields. These materials can conduct electricity with zero resistance, making them incredibly efficient and powerful. This could revolutionize everything from power grids to electronic devices. And when cooled to extremely low temperatures, superconductors exhibit some pretty mind-blowing properties. They can create magnetic fields that repel other magnetic fields, leading to levitation. These properties are not just theoretical, they have been demonstrated in laboratories around the world. Scientists are continually amazed by the potential applications of these materials, including the ability to levitate. This could lead to new forms of transportation and even new ways of constructing buildings and other structures. We're still in the early stages of understanding and harnessing these forces, but the potential here is limitless. The more we learn, the more possibilities we uncover. The potential here is limitless. Imagine a world where energy is abundant and transportation is effortless. The implications for our daily lives and the global economy are staggering. Imagine a world with frictionless trains, levitating cars, and buildings that can withstand earthquakes. These advancements could make our cities safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. And buildings that can withstand earthquakes. This could revolutionize architecture and urban planning, making our cities more resilient to natural disasters. The future is looking lighter than ever, With these advancements, we are on the brink of a new era, where the impossible becomes possible, and the future is brighter and more exciting than ever before. So, there you have it, 5 mind-blowing tech innovations that are about to change the world as we know it. From invisibility cloaks to self-healing materials, 4-dimensional printing to holographic displays, and even the mind-bending possibilities of anti-gravity technology, the future is closer than you think, and it's looking pretty incredible. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize our lives in countless ways, from the way we communicate and interact with the world around us to the very fabric of our cities and infrastructure. It's a truly exciting time to be alive, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more unbelievable tech insights.